There we go.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you have to click like twice for this type of stuff. Baba tanking. Ooh, this was the one I was waiting for. Nike tanking. Are we gonna have a red day today or what?
I would think so.
I mean the tone's already red. Let's see.
Oh,
Baba's good under 150, and it did crack. It cracked 150 pre-market today, so we're at a new yearly low here. So let's wait to see. So a lot of the stocks are coming down. Affirm. This one was a big one yesterday. What's going on, Kyoto? It's not my birthday, Phoenix, but thank you.
you were sitting there over there on Marantz's channel and your channel, saying it was your birthday every day for the like the last 3 months.
Just messing with
I
people.
think I think you were trying to get people to give you money.
No, 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 no.
Well, I think so.
My birthday comes out on in February. I heard about that Kyoto. Evergrande apparently lied about being bailed out or something. I have no
No,
information on that. I just read I think it was a tweet about that as well. I need to look more into that. Let's go to Twitter.
really.
What? You don't like
You,
Twitter? That's what I know.
yeah, quality information comes from Twitter.
Most of it is. Some of it isn't.
Okay,
Let's see. I'm just
let's
trying to
go.
look for some
Let's go
facts.
back to Walmart and what
Oh,
Safe Moon.
just talk to me about AMC and Costco.
Oh, AMC and Costco. I'm hearing a rumor that AMC is going to partner up with Costco. They're going to, basically shut down their dead theaters and convert them into Costco's, and then in their good theaters, they're going to, close down one theater and open up like a mini mart type situation. I think it's a great thing, and they're going to call. I think I've heard the rebranding is going to be AM Costco.
Hey, Costco's moving up though, by the way. Honestly, like Adam Aaron would probably accept that. So you should go ahead and tweet at him. And we should be getting him a rant video today. I don't know. I'm waiting for that one because he's tweeting about gorillas and whatnot. China FUD is.
Oh yeah,
Oh, okay. Take a look at this, guys. First thing on Twitter that's trending is China FUD. People discussed the uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrencies after Chinese authorities continue to crack down on the crypto industry. Let's go to Bitcoin. See what it's at. Probably 40K. 41.4. Nike at or below, still coming down. Costco's at or above. Yeah, Costco's moving.
it's great news.
Man, this stock is just unstoppable.
It's buy the rumor, sell the news, right?
Well, AMC's not moving at all. Don't know when I want to rebuy this stock. Morning, Eric. Welcome back. We need some of your plays.
Elmo's bossy.
I
Can I
love
put him in a
Elmo.
timeout?
I love Elmo.
Can I put him in a timeout? He's bossy. He's trying to tell everybody what to do.
Hit that like button. That's right. There we go. AMC finally moving. 39.78. GameStop's at 191. I feel like we're closing at the same price every week. Is it just me? Keep seeing the 190 level. We gotta go back to
Or,
200.
well, the he's live, Marantz. Come on, dude.
Hmm?
Marantz is asking over in the Discord where you're live.
Oh, we're live.
Yeah, I just let him know.
175 Airbnb. How's Saba doing? So ripping 62.
Yeah, I'm trying to do a rollout right now.
Facebook 343. Baba still falling. I think Affirm might still have some legs today. This one's probably still on the top of the list. Moderna just took a plunge too this morning to 444.
Yes, I can do a rollout. Fan freaking tastic.
Lovely Moderna. We're still trading in this range. that we did yesterday midday, so not too bad. Which one was the other one that we were watching? Twitter. Not too
You watch
bad.
Twitter. You
Not too
you
bad.
trust it.
Twitter,
I don't know
baby.
why.
Let's go. Brian says he's first. Who isn't naked? I am not. 69 cents. They just spam naked in Rocky's channel. It's Friday, people relax. Rob has to finish his coffee. Absolutely. Where's my coffee? It's over here. It's in the red cup today too. Red mug. Let's see. China FUD, blah blah blah. Bitcoin's falling. Let's pull up
Okay,
spot two.
how is all right? Maybe you can tell me how is China shutting down buying, trading, Bitcoin? How is that FUD?
I don't know. Oh, I think it's because I would assume that it's because we've had this in the past, right? Where China tries to stop or crack down on Bitcoin, like back in 2012, 2013, and then earlier this year, and then now. So I think that's what I would assume.
Okay.
Let's see. But the Bitcoin bulls are just out there on Twitter just going all out. Woke up to the China FUD for the 9,391,000 time. See, that's what I would assume. China FUD is time for buying, not selling. Why is it always China FUD? Come on, man. Can we get a new script? Hmm.
I saved my Sava.
That's
Yes.
Salvador. Oh, Salva 64. This freaking stock, man, I'm telling you. Look at this.
Hey,
Twitter's at
I'm
or
happy
above.
I saved it. I'm happy I was able to save it. I was able to roll it out and actually put some more money into my account doing so.
Ralph speaks fluent Spanish. I do. I do. I hate Robinhood. Once I sell my stock, I need to switch to another exchange. Get out of Robinhood. If Twitter's moving, then you know what? Snapchat should be rallying too, right? Ooh, 80 bucks. This is another one too, looking good on the daily. We're about to hit a new 80, 85. We're like 25 cents away from a yearly high too on that one. And I speak fluent shill. There we go.
Well, that's because you're related to Kramer.
Mm-hmm.
And
Kramer
no,
C.
was it me that actually brought that one up, Eric? I can't remember. I think I'm the one that brought that one up. And no, I haven't been watching it. Thanks for reminding me. I'm gonna go back and look at it now.
Affirm,
And
baby.
probably cry.
You probably cry.
Probably.
Boy.
I don't remember when it was talked about between Eric and I, but I'm probably certain I've lost money on it if I haven't, you know, made the play. Let's see. It would have been around 850, 875 maybe. Eh, only $1. But the way I buy lots of shares, it would be $10,000.
Moran says, Ralph, can you explain why Costco, Apple, Neo, and Tesla all tanked pre-market because of crypto news? They all dropped with crypto. I don't think so. First of all, Costco had earnings yesterday. I think that's the biggest catalyst driving that stock. And then the technicals on Costco are looking great, man. I thought we would see a dip under the DMA here under 440. That's why I have like two alerts set here. But no, look at this. AMC's moving up as well. Uh, Tesla. Let's pull up Tesla. Um, let's go to Nasdaq then. See the correlation there. There is no correlation. I don't think it's dropping because of Bitcoin. I think Tesla, you know Tesla, man. Tesla sometimes follows the indices. Tesla sometimes it doesn't. But I don't think so. And then Neo and Tesla are obviously in the same sector, so they're going to be moving. They always move together. Look at the comparison between Tesla and AMC. Tesla and Neo. Somewhat there. AMC's finally moving back up a 40. You brought it up when it was at the $7, $8 range. I don't know what stock you're talking about. Oh,
Hi, son.
DATS. This is the one I brought up. Remember?
Oh,
It wasn't my stock, by the way. I brought this up when it was at $7, and I said I follow a trader who's just been killing it on Twitter or YouTube, whatever. He doesn't go on YouTube that much, and he's just been making some crazy plays. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna watch it. So I had another at 7, and then it started creeping to 9, and I think that guy sold, but it just kept on rallying, and now it's at 11. So he's the one who also bought me into a firm, but he bought at 60, guys. He bought before the Amazon partnership down here, way before the gap up. And he called it. He's like, it's gonna be a gap and go play. It's gonna keep on going, and it kept on going. He took profits at 120. It came down, and he's been day trading it since then, swing trading in. And look at this. It still has legs. 133. Which one was the other one? Spies are moving back up, by the way. Uh, IRNT. This is what you were talking about.
me? No.
This is moving up too. It's up almost 6%.
iSun.
iSun.
It's ISUN. And yeah, I was talking about it back when it was $7 or $8.
It's at 9 now.
Yeah, I know.
iSun. Hmm. AEI is tanking? Oh, not really. What's going on, Stacks a lot? Welcome back.
Oh, I got to break out the band hammer, do I?
Why? No, he's not trolling you. Oh, new Adamarin tweet, really? Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh my god, he's
Wow.
30,
Spot
37.
recovery.
Guys, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Look at this. 37 seconds ago. First, Elon Musk likes my Dogecoin. Stop with this. Why does he keep patting himself on the back? Mark Cuban now. Wait, wait,
Because
wait,
he's
wait,
out
wait,
of
wait, wait.
Aaron.
Now, no less an entrepreneur extraordinaire, Mark Cuban replies to another one of my Dogecoin tweets yesterday, offering how we can move forward with Doge. I am so delighted and interested in AMC and Dogecoin. Adam, Marantz, are you hearing this crap? Let's all
See,
go to the
I'm,
movies.
I'm, I'm trying to
I'm
get him
telling you.
wound up.
Look what people
And
are
you're
replying.
sitting there doing it.
Look what people are replying to this. Didn't we talk about this? EV charging stations in every AMC parking lot. Did we not say this like a month ago for the jokes?
Yeah.
Let's just start replying to his tweets. I think Adam Marant is trolling Marantz. I'm telling you, Marantz, he watches your videos. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Marantz says he's making the video before his stream today. That's what I want to hear.
Wait, he's going to make it.
Kyoto says, I bet Adam Marant. I'm telling you, Adam Marant, guys, it is known that Adam Marant watches videos on him. Trey confirmed this like 2 months ago. He watched Lou's video about Adam Marant being a snake. Lou hates Adam Marant. And Adam Marant saw that video on him, so I'm pretty sure. And now that he's getting more savvy with Twitter and whatnot, that he's watching these videos. Adam Marant is gonna make a video on Marant's watch. Sir, this is the Matrix. I'm telling you, simulation confirmed. Adam Marant will be done by tonight, I promise. Ooh. Hoo hoo. Is that why AMC's moving right now? Is that why we're green? GameStop's green too.
It's because the partnership with Costco.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna believe that sooner or later. It's like when you tell somebody a lie continuously, they'll believe it. They just keep on saying Costco AMC partnership. I'm gonna start believing that because it's AMC Costco,
Yeah.
AM Costco.
AM Costco.
There we go. Let's see.
That's the branding.
It's National Gorilla Day or something like that. So they're playing these movies on AMC, their little website, streaming service, whatever the case.
Damn, Bob
September
is down
24.
on down. Bob is down 450.
I'm telling you, sometimes it's best to wait for these stocks. Like at 150, this stock, if you want the risk, you could like size in, and then if it just starts cracking, just take the L because this can continue to slide down. 130s, we don't know, but the trend is not your friend right now. It's not in your favor. But every pullback we've had, notice it's followed by a nice bounce. August, we cracked 210, came all the way down to 180, and from 180 it bounced to 205. That's a nice bounce. Then right back down to 150s, and we had a 150 to 177 bounce. That's a nice bounce. Now from 177 we're coming down to 140, 446. So we're bound to have a bounce, but I don't think this is the low yet. I set an auto below alert at 145. Let's go to I'm curious about this stock. Dat S. Alert there. SPY pulling back. Tech pulling back. Crapple 146. Tesla 746. AMC 39.91. This Moderna stock is pulling back down. It's not even trading in this range anymore. So let's see. Let's observe this because but the trend is still here in our favor. So if it can hold here 443. It was the top here on Wednesday. Not too bad. Let's go to Airbnb. I forgot about this stock. Hit 176. Not doing too bad as well. Twitter still moving, pulling back. Which one was another one? Affirm pulling back. So stocks are pulling back slightly. It should get up to 196. IRNT oversold yesterday and it's grinding back up. Absolutely. IRNT is on the move. 25. BBIG crashed for 5 days now. Happy there's back holders there. Forgot about that stock. Remember this? BBIG?
Oh, I remember it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you're
Yeah, it's
never going to
red.
touch it.
A lot of these other meme stocks kind of cooled down a bit. Salva's still look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Salva's still looking nice. Let's see. 64. Maybe we can play Salva. Do you think it was
Why did you
it'll
not?
still
Why did
have
you not
legs?
enter Saba back at 50?
I got in earlier before this crazy rally and I just cut losses on this one. I'm like, absolutely not. When it was coming down under 40, look at that rebound. It was the news catalyst that came out that sent the stock flying up, by the way. So I can't really anticipate that. When cash on DATS out fully at 1077. There we go. That trader I'm talking to you guys about that brought up DATS just got out at 1077.
Zoom's taking it on the chin too.
Oh, Zoom is another one too. Yeah, I have an alert on this one. You know why this is tanking? Because the insiders are selling a lot of stock. Is it on here? Trades 26.9 million in company stock. I don't think it's this one. Or it might be this one.
That's a
September 20.
significant amount.
Yeah, I'm telling you, some of them are selling the stock. And it gave me this one faked me out too. As it was coming the first initial time at 307, I'm like, it's gonna rip to it because it has that massive gap to close, but sometimes the trend is not your friend.
Oh, it'll eventually get back there, but it's probably going to be a relatively long hold.
I mean, look at this. It's about to trigger my alert at 269. This looks like Alibaba stock on the daily. Look at this. Nothing but down. Yeah.
Hey, David, I'm assuming you only have like 5 shares of AEI.
If Sava can hold. That's the only problem I had with Sava was that every rally it had, it just tanked after. Like it just came on down. It couldn't sustain the gains. So I think I'm with you on that one, Stacks a lot. That's the tricky part about Sava. So let's set an alert on this one. GameStop's pulling back hard. 189. Is AMC dropping too? Yeah. We're getting some fake outs this morning. Den, what is that? Den? Denbury? What do I have an alert on this? I think this one. Oh yeah, I know why I have an alert on this one. I set this alert up actually yesterday. Look at the trend on this one on the daily, guys. Is that not a beautiful rip? Now we're just trading sideways after that 60 break we had here in late May. So maybe this one might be good. Set another alert. GameStop 188. AMC, I'm pretty sure hit a new low today, no? Oh no, it's bouncing off the lows. 39.70. If you ever want to get into LLY, it's now or never. Is that S still ripping? No, not yet. LLY. Oh, you're buying the dip, Marantz? Look at all these gaps on this chart. This is insane. Never close this one. Never close this gap. Another gap here. Another gap here. Another gap there.
And they don't look like they coincide with earnings calls or anything.
It looks. It's an odd chart, by the way. That's an odd chart. CEI's on fire. 212. Salva, Roblox, and the VIX are the only green. How about CLNE? You guys always troll with that one. Is that one green today? Because that one, I'm telling you, that stock is green every day. It's actually red now. It's up 8. This one's up almost 9% today. Oh, you think it might go for that 310 high on the year? Hmm. Oh, let's see. Let's go. Let's go to Twitter. Walgreens. Let's put another on CEI. I'm curious to see what this stock does today. We're talking stocks today since I'm on my PC looking at us. There we go, Morantz. I
Yeah,
know.
he's
I'm
good.
telling you, I could read Morantz. I know he has the itch to look to other stocks.
Well,
He wants to. He wants to.
he's also looking into that merger deal, or not merger, but partnership with AMC. I'm sure.
Oh, and Costco.
Yeah.
Let's go back to that tweet. Let's see. Dogecoin, Mr. Mark Cuban. Wait, did Mark Cuban reply to his tweet or did he just like it again? Oh my God, web blanket, whatever. Let's see. I'm going through this. No, I think he might have liked it. Give me 1 second. I'm scrolling pretty fast through these tweets. Because Mark Cuban tweets a lot, by the way. He's active on Twitter.
Well, he's a tech guy.
He did reply to his first initial tweet with the 140,000 votes. Didn't Mark Cuban figure out the easiest way to accept Dogecoin out like months ago? And he replied, BitPay. GameStop 187.75. He's been feeling the itch for a few weeks now. I don't blame him, man. Stocks are moving. Opportunity cost.
Something's not right with that.
With what? GameStop?
Yeah,
This is an odd dip,
something's.
right? It's like a weird dip.
Yeah.
Usually you'd expect these stocks to move together, or AMC leading the way first before GameStop because of the volume. But this is kind of weird.
Well, not only that, uh, it's Friday and Max Payne's 195, so that is extremely odd because it's normally right at it. So I want to go look at something I found.
Let's pull up Spy
Oh, God,
really quick. Let me see. Let me pull up Spy.
find it.
Brett?
Who did I send that to?
Russell? The Nasdaq. It's like the Nasdaq's whatever's right now. Is Tesla still flat? Somewhat. Let's see. Friday. Don't know if I want to hop in Tesla right now. Because I know I'm still. Oh my gosh, Moderna. Got rejected at 460. This is like the trend right here. It's literally testing the trend. Let's see if we get a nice bounce off of there. Affirm. Twitter pulling back. Airbnb still 175. AMC coming down to a new low at 39.39. Let's see. Because usually AMC's red on Fridays, so let's see what happens today. Almo, hit the like button. That's right. Hard ladder on GameStop. I mean, it's $2, $2, $3. It can be worse. Costco's accepting AMC gift cards as payment. That's right. Look
Yep.
at this. And we're gonna be paying with AMC gift cards. This is still a new one by the way. I never used it or I never raffled it out. It's just still here. Yes, the GameStop off the cliff as usual. I'll slap all of you. Hey, tell me why Review Dark followed you. I don't think he saw the video. I think he just read I'm your biggest fan and he followed you. I can't believe that. AMC needs to make up its damn mind. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's not hitting any low, it's not rallying, it's just moving sideways here. I need a dip, man. I want an entry. Let's see. Robinhood I sold yesterday. Oh my god, I saved my ass yesterday with Robinhood. Oh, but it's coming back now. I sold on this candle here. As soon as this candle broke the 46 fit, I'm out, baby. Take your profits, run away. It's coming back slightly. It's creeping. All I was looking for is a move here on the daily EMA. Just a little blip above, but it can still continue, man. It can still break 47 70s. This is where I consider re-entering again. 46.50, 47 range, because then after that, I still think it has potential to break past 50. So let's wait for the hood. Back to AMC. See what else we got here on this freaking list of stocks. Facebook, we're still waiting for that one. Salva, let's wait for a dip. Home Depot, Snapchat. Moving incoherence with Twitter. Roblox. I know Saxelot is a huge Roblox fan. 1 point. Oh, nice. Have this little pennant here forming. I don't think I'll find an entry for Roblox though. I'm still waiting for this one. Breaking news from Adam Aaron. Show your Costco card at AMC counter for some free Sour Patch Kids. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. We're gonna speak it into existence. Wisconsin reporting for duty. What's going on? Bitcoin could rally after September option. I don't care about that. FCUV. You guys brought this one up a couple days ago. Sounds familiar, right? Rob rings a bell. FCUV. Roblox, baby. It's for the kids. Maybe one day I'll understand that.
You'll understand what.
Oh, nothing. AMC 3970. Damn it, make a move, AMC. I'm telling you, the days I think AMC's gonna break and there's potential, it freaking flops. It fools me. It fooled a lot of people. I was lurking. I was watching other videos. Come on. GameStop trying to rebound here off the lows, 188. The entry is now Ralph. Roblox is a nice swing play from here to 95. It's on my list, man. 95, you say? Hmm. Gonna laugh if the AMC stock gets attached to Costco stock. Oh,
Oh
stop it.
my God, Kyoto, that's
Costco's a
evil.
monster. That AMC would have polluted both of Major Morance's holdings? Absolutely. It's gonna happen. Speak it into existence. Maybe Adam Aaron will tune into my stream. They're like, they're like, Ruff, you would never interview Adam Aaron. I would tear his ass apart. He'll never come on. He'll never interview any of these other guys. Morantz, you think Adam Aaron would go on Morantz's channel for an interview? Are you kidding me?
I wouldn't.
Huh?
I wouldn't.
He'd get torn apart.
That's just your opinion.
Wait, someone's being rowdy outside. It's 7 in the morning. Who the hell? Been watching old Ralph videos all night. I clicked on some of the old videos, Marantz, because you said your OG videos were the best. It's when you were in the, I think it was in your kitchen, no? Those were the old videos. The muggers are back to finish. Oh, hey, they took my wallet and my ID. I'm telling you, the week I got robbed, I was paranoid as crap. Like, I'd go home and I'd be just looking outside to see what cars are there and see if anybody's there. Because they stole my ID and everything. They know where I live, where I stay. I don't think robbers are that stupid. Tesla pushing. Damn this stock. I'm telling you, the time I'm like, should I buy? It just starts to rip. Maybe I should just hop in Roblox, huh? Oh my gosh, 84. Come on. At least the ones I'm holding. No, they're not moving.
Hot damn, spy. The spy's going up.
Airbnb, baby. Let's move it. Let's move it. Spy, yeah, Spy's moving. Stocks only do go up, man. Nasdaq ripping. That's why we're seeing some push in some of these tech stocks. Crapple's moving. Facebook. This is a good dead cat bounce play here. It's finding some support around this range. AMC is still at 39.70. They stole my keys, man. They stole a Mercedes key. You know how much the Mercedes key was to replace? It's like $600 for the whole damn key. Like, are you kidding me? At 95, there will be major profit taking, but like I said, months it'll be 150 by Christmas. Maybe it's because I don't like necessarily know what Roblox is. Yes, my house keys. I had my house keys with me. Everything. This was during the riots. When was that? Like a year, almost 2 years ago. Riots in LA. F is at or above. Ford. Ford. What do I have another on Ford? I'm telling you, the car's ugly. I've seen it in person. Oh my God, it's horrible. It's moving though. No, not the 1992 riots. That's the first thing that came up on Google. Let's see. George riots. Come on, AMC. May 26, 2020. On the verge of a financial correction and the spy is pumping. Let it pump, baby. I did change my locks. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. I was pissed. You know why? Because I had a credit card that they stole. I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to lock my credit card. You know how you usually go change your passwords, lock your credit card, get a new card. I was like, I'm not going to lock my credit card. I don't think they're that stupid to use it. Guess what happened? They used it once at 7-Eleven. I'm like, what the hell? I was like, for $11. I was like, all right, they're not going to do it again, right? I think it was the same day. Another credit card charge at 7-Eleven. And I had already been in talks with like a police guy, whatever. Had already filed a report.
A police guy or whatever.
I'm telling you, I had already report, and this guy did not give a crap. This guy just didn't care. And he's like, all right, we'll do our best and to investigate and go look at cameras and whatnot. And nothing ever happened. Nothing happened. Ralph planned the mugging. He wanted their insurance money from the company. Shh. They bought a round of Slurpees. I don't know what they did, but I was in their mind. I was in their shoes. They came back because they're like, this card worked. And I was mad. They could have bought 7-Eleven sushi for all we know. I don't know. It was like two or
They
three
probably
charges.
did.
2 or 3 charges on that card for 7-Eleven. And I was like, I'm gonna lock it. And I don't know. They got away. If it was 7-Eleven sushi, I'll let it slide, right? I'll be like, all right, you guys mugged me. Good job. Here's a 7-Eleven sushi. A face only a mugger could love. I know, right? Like, my body doesn't suit my face or something. Something's wrong. And I was always waiting for that call. I'm like, we got him, baby. No, never. And I went back to the hotel to see if there was any cameras, and they didn't catch. It didn't. because when they mugged me, they ran into there's a little parking structure in between, and I went after them. Like I froze, and then I started chasing them, and then they had already taken off, and the cameras weren't wide enough to capture that little area where the car exited. I'm not very smart because I chased them, right?
Okay, they had guns and you didn't. Yeah, that's not real smart.
I don't know, man. I try to like catch a glimpse of the car or something, of a plate, nothing. They
Well,
can see the Mercedes
chasing
key.
them when they got guns and you don't. You might catch a bullet.
You don't know how mad I was when the dude put his hand in my pocket. Like this dude was just putting his hand in my pocket, and he was a big dude. Like he was like way bigger than me, and I was just, oh man, it makes me mad right now. Like I want to go box. They can see the Mercedes key through your yoga pants. Oh man, like this guy was taking my watch off, and this happened in like 7 seconds, and I'm telling you, there's people that are watching. That's the worst part. A lot of people saw this, and they were just like, "Oh my god," like we just saw this or a knife. See, I'd rather them have a knife than a gun, obviously, because then at least I could do something. Are you actually sure they had a gun, bro? They put the gun in my gut. What do you mean? Like I saw the gun, and he's like, "Don't move, I'll blow your guts out."
Hey
And then
Ralph,
what?
can you hear me? Okay, I had to call you because you
Roast me,
make me laugh.
roast me.
Yeah, bro, you make me laugh, dude. All right, hey guys. By the way, Ralph, great channel, Ralph Castaneda. Watch him all day. That's what I do all day. Um, hey Ralph, so I'm driving and I'm like this guy. I'm going crazy in my head, dude. I'm screaming.
Hmm.
I come from law enforcement, right?
Yeah.
And you being robbed. What a great story. First off, I love this story. I love all these stories. These are great. This is the best time to talk on the chat because we're not talking stocks. We're talking about you developing into a mature young man. Here's the craziest part, dude. Lesson learned. Tops, okay? Police reports, the least favorite thing to do in your world, they don't want to do them. They
Hmm.
don't give a damn. The more details you give, the worse it gets. And that red pen breaks out, and then they're just crossing stuff out, and they're like, nah, he didn't say that. Oh, yeah, he said that. Oh, we're waiting on this. Oh, we're waiting on that. Dude,
Hmm.
no, it's not like, you know what ruined everything for the police?
Hmm.
It ruined everything. CSI. The show CSI ruined everything
Hmm.
because it makes you believe that you can solve a case in 30 minutes. That's how long the episodes are, and that's how fast you can solve a case. And the truth is, fingerprints and can you find out? Can you run this through AFIS? No,
Hmm.
everything costs money and everything costs time because it costs police officers minutes to go do those things, right? So like
Hmm.
when you get robbed, I still remember this to this day. I went into a house, the guy gets robbed, right?
Hmm.
And they go, are you gonna do anything? I was like, what do you want me to do? And they're like, well, there's a fresh fingerprint on the big screen because back then they had like the 52-inch rolling big screens, right?
Hmm.
It's an RCA TV, whatever, with the big speakers at the bottom. And they had moved it, but they didn't take it. And I was like, well, they didn't steal it. And
Uh-huh.
he goes, yeah, but there got to be fingerprints on here somewhere because they moved it. And I look at the guy, and go, okay, sir. Well, what did they take? And then when he says what they're taking, right, we're adding it all up. We're like, this isn't even $1,000. Like, what are we doing? We're not doing grand larceny. So in your case, what they take? They took essentially
Bro.
a key, right?
Yeah.
And then they took tons of stuff. It's grand larceny at that part. So like now we're looking at a real crime. You can go to prison. Do you know what kind of paperwork you got to do? These cops don't give a damn unless those products, your stuff, shows up on a table somewhere on a crime scene that they're actively involved in. They're not going to go. They're not looking for it.
Hmm.
They're not. They use money at like 7-Eleven. You know what they're saying to you? Oh yeah, they use your card at 7-Eleven. You should have cut it off, bro. Like it's your fault. It's
No,
that way.
yeah.
No, it's that way. I'm so serious, dude. They do not care. They're not gonna go, hey, can I see the cameras on that? Yeah, no, we got a guy, he got robbed and we want to see. Nope. Unless there's a murder involved, no one's doing the extra CSI breakdown. But every TV show out there is gonna have you believe that these cops are gonna go above and beyond.
So
And they're
I've never seen the CSI. I've never really paid attention to that, but
oh my
so
god.
so
Yeah.
that guy lied to me, right? I think he said he checked the
Oh,
cameras, but
oh yeah.
here's the thing. Here's the thing. I think he did check. You know why? Because that building where I got robbed, it's all 888 South Olive Street. It's notoriously known for having a lot of drug transactions, and he told me, he's like, you got lucky they didn't shoot you, because he's like, a month ago, a 23-year-old got killed there. He got shot, and they've
So
caught people
watch
with
this.
like 100K cash outside, and a lot
Yeah,
of like,
well, Rob,
yeah,
you're right on point. Look at this. Did he check him? He probably did check him, but he wasn't checking him for you.
yeah,
He was checking him for his murder scene, for the 23-year-old.
yeah.
For
He's
whatever description they have, they're trying to get a description on that so they can look up those leads there. Has
mhm,
nothing to do with your case. I promise you, they weren't going to
you're
solve your
right.
case. They're never going to solve your case. And it's just one of those things. You get got, you get got. Lesson
Yeah,
learned.
that's what happened. I'm like, I did not expect like, oh, they're gonna catch him. I never really. It would have been
Bro,
nice, right, to have more
man,
information, but I just let it go, bro. Like, I
oh,
just
you
let it
got.
go.
I'm not
Yeah.
assuming. And by the way, I think Boker, to this day, he said a funny joke in my channel the other day, and he just said the funniest joke of today. And you haven't read it yet out loud, but he said they saw the Mercedes key in through your yoga pants. That is
He
hilarious.
said it. He said it.
I
Oh,
read that.
that
Yeah.
I wasn't listening. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't listening. Maybe I was in the truck
Kyoto
talking to my kid.
Kyoto says, I'm convinced they didn't have a gun. They saw his face and they knew they could rob him without much effort. There was two guys, bro. They knew they were gonna take me down easy. This guy shoved the
Oh man,
freaking
you're a
gun.
big guy.
I'm a
You're a
big
big
bro.
guy.
No, no, no. Actually, no, no, no. I'm big right now. Like at the time, this is a year 2020 May. I was lean. I was lean, but I wasn't like big like fat. Right now,
Yeah,
what
but I
you?
mean, I'm not saying you're fat. I'm just saying like you're a big dude. I don't want to say big bone, but like
I'm
you're
thick.
thickums, bro.
I know I
Yeah,
am thick.
thick, 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 with a C, bro, not with a K.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you got two C's. Now I'm just admiring you.
What?
Did I?
Clip that. Clip that.
I don't care what you clip, bro. Listen, am I ruining your Friday morning, Ralph? Is that what I'm doing here? I'll
No,
hang up.
bro. I love when you come on. I'm telling you, it
Oh,
gets
nah,
interesting. The
bro.
combos get interesting.
Dude, this is crazy. So last night, okay, I'm wasting all my content on your channel. This is crazy because I write down notes, dude, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna talk about this, I'm gonna talk about that, because I try to give the crowd a good show. But now, nah, I love your show. So here we go. Last night, I'm on Diablo, right? Which, by the way, Blizzard, if you ever listen to Ralph's channel, Blizzard, Activision, whatever, what a crappy release. These guys rolled out a brand new game that everyone wants to play, right? It's just a remake of an older game that we played 15 years ago, but it's top quality. You're supposed to be able to play it. It looks great on this computer. The servers are supposed to be running. Every server's down. It's a crappy game. You can't even log in. It kicks you out every time you click onto a different screen. It is that bad. It is terrible. Even this morning, I'm telling you. And then I read all the reviews, and people are going crazy. People are pissed off because of it. And I
Mm.
agree. It's absolute trash the way they rolled it out. It's not a good look for Blizzard. I'll just tell you that right now. But I'm still grinding it out. I'm playing it. I'm like level 17 paladin, whatever. Who cares? The problem that I have, dude, is this game is taking over my life. In the span of one day, I was supposed to do a recap video. I was supposed to have everything ready to go to beat up on Kramer and Adam Aaron, and I literally put it all on the back burner and watched football and played my game all night. And then I took care of Binks, and Binks is beast, bro. Hey, for the first time in my life, this cat is eating cat food out the bowl. I don't have to worry about him anymore. I don't have to like give him the bottle and do all that stuff. Nope, this dude attacked the bowl, and I'm happy. And he's a fat ass cat now, just laying
As long
around.
as
I love it.
as long as he's not declawed, man.
Oh, never. Never. This guy's climbing walls. This guy climbed the couch. He climbed onto my bed. My bed's like 3 feet high, dude. This guy just started crawling up it. He didn't even jump. He just he latched on and started going up. And he can do no wrong. This guy could claw and tear out all my computer cords, whatever, and I wouldn't care. He's that good of a guy. He's my beast. Oh, you're gonna lose me now. I'm rolling through the streets where there's no cell phone wires.
You take your kid to school or what? Baba's
Yeah,
tanking still. Baba is still flushing. I'm telling you, 130 is
dude.
where we're going to. Woo-hoo.
Oh, what is it at right now?
145. That's at one. We were
Oh
talking
yeah,
about
let
buying
it
at
hit
150.
139. I'll buy it at 139.
Oh, you guys heard it here. Oh, well, AMC new low. GameStop 186 new low.
Oh my
Friday,
god.
man.
Never mind. Never mind.
Fridays.
Never mind. I won't buy it. I gotta buy more GameStop. Look at this price. Dude, I get that bonus at work. I'm ready to roll. I don't think anybody knows. I'm ready to pull some triggers here. That's why I've been reading up on some stuff. Because I have I get a 2 tier bonus. So the two I call it 2 tier, but it's like threes. But what it means is you get stock options, you get cash, and you get an influx on your 401k. So they do all of that all at once. So each year, they do that. So then I'm like, okay, well, My 401k portion, I can keep that going with, all my blue chips that I'm accustomed to. And then I have some new ones in there that I've been looking at because of you guys. You guys give me some nonsense stuff to look at. And I called my guy Steve, and my guy Steve's like, "What's all this, Marantz? Like you got?" I was like, "Steve, this is my stack. I need this. I need you to look at this, look at this, look at this." Because here's what happens at T Rowe Price. And a lot of you guys know this if you guys are in 401ks. They have funds out there, like mutual funds, that have stock like the ones that we care about already in them. It's like a setup, like an ETF almost.
Mm-hmm.
And oh my god, this little burnout car is like
I heard
revving
it.
it.
I hear it.
Dude, it's 7:15 in the morning, dude. I'm on a lonely road. This dude is zooming around. Oh, it's like a 1999 Golf. It's gross.
I could hear it.
Oh, it was gross. Anyway, that kid's out of gas, dude. He just spent like $10
I know,
just
right?
pushing the gas. Oh, but anyway, so I call him up yesterday. I was on the phone yesterday, dude, and I'm on speaker, and my wife's listening. I'm like, babe, don't listen, because she's like, God, you just talk in circles. And I was like, yeah. So I really want to look at this fund, and I'm like, well, hey. So he starts naming stocks or like these mutual funds I should be buying, and I was like, hey, yeah. So how much of that has GameStop, dude? Hey,
Oh man.
nothing. Nothing they sell has a portion of GameStop. And I was like, dude, you're going to make me do it again. You're going to make me pull out all this and just go straight into GameStop. He's like, no. I got one for you. This is a good one for you. Just go ahead and throw it. I'm like, whatever, man. Like, I really let them do whatever they want because they're such a reputable company. And that's T. Rowe Price. But me personally, I made them happy, though. I went straight into T. Rowe Price. Have you ever seen that stock? I know you probably don't. T. Rowe, yeah. If you look over the last 5 years, I've been with them for 12 years or 10 years that I've been buying the stock. I have such big increases when I started to now. And that's how I learned. Like, I was like, dude, when you look at all these blue chips for 5 years, if you bought them 5 years ago, like I remember the day I was sitting there with the guy, my buddy named Bill. There's a guy named Bill Burnkrant. I don't mind saying his whole name. I don't care. He's a very wealthy man, whatever it may be. We're sitting there and we're watching Wheel of Fortune. And this is in 2011, I want to say. And we're watching Wheel of Fortune, and he's like, hey, did you buy any, was it 2011? Mid 2012. 2012. He goes, hey, did you buy any Facebook? And he's like, they went live today. And I was like, nah, haven't touched it. He's like, yeah, I think it's opening up. It'll get to about $29. I think I'm going to buy some. Like, can you imagine?
Damn.
$29? Yeah. And that was the truth. And I was just like, wow, this is crazy. And at the time, I was like, nah, I'm not going to buy any. I'm good. Because I was still buying, Costco, and I was still buying other stuff. And I wasn't ready to go in on a damn internet sensation. Because I'm like, what happens if it dies out like MySpace or whatever? He's like, nah, I'm going to get it. This dude is sitting on a stack of it. I know,
Right.
dude, crazy. Not me, though. So, but I'm not letting that happen anymore. I'm not letting stuff pass me by. So Roblox, yeah, I'll let that one go. But the other stuff, like the Eli Lilly, the stuff like that, where I'm naming them to you, there's a reason why, Ralph. I'm looking at a lot of different things because of everybody here. So it's pretty amazing. Sava too. Don't worry.
Yeah, there's a lot of stocks out there to look at. It's just like it's not, GameStop,
Yeah.
AMC, Affirm is falling down off a cliff.
It has to
125.
go.
There's
It went up
they're all
too fast.
pullbacks. Yeah, these guys, all these stocks went up crazy yesterday. So.
Well, that has two gaps. That has two gaps that you think it would never come down to. But
Mm-hmm.
oh my God, I am next to, dude. If I even take a picture of this car, it's not a Golf. It's worse than that. It's worse than that. Oh my God, it is a Ford Fiesta
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Is it blue?
hatchback, bro.
Is it blue? Is it blue Ford
Yep,
Fiesta?
it's red.
Oh,
Hey, and it's got the kit, it's got the wheels, it's got everything. This thing's got these tires have gold written on them. This thing's red and gold. It is absolutely gross. Oh, I know all the car lovers are like, what? Oh, he's racing, dude. This guy's racing.
who is he
I don't know who
racing?
though.
It's
Like he's not racing anybody. We all just beat him. I don't know. Maybe he doesn't know how to shift right. I don't know. Anyway, back to it. Yeah, so that's your crime story you got going on. The stock story where I called this guy this morning, or yesterday, I should say. And I need to call him back, though. That's why. That's why I say this morning. I need to call him back. There's stuff that I look at, and I'm just like, what the hell's going on? Tesla scares me from time to time, only because Elon tweet. And I know you're a lover. You and maybe I don't know who Stacks. Maybe I don't know. I just can't. I'm GameStop, man. That's everybody should be GameStop. There, even you. I'll say it.
They're saying that Ford Fiesta, Robert Boker said Ford Fiesta people are the worst and the engines blow up all the time.
Bro, this guy just blew up right now at the stoplight, bro. I can't
I'm
even.
telling you, I had a friend who rented out his Porsche, right? It was like a 17 Boxer convertible red, very nice. The dude who rented it didn't know how to drive stick. He was going like 60 on the first gear and he blew up the car on the
No
freeway. I'm
way.
kidding. And then blew up the car on the freeway.
Hey,
Oh
so like
man.
if I own a nice car, I mean, is that you can rent them out like that?
What do you mean? Like if you own the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. There's apps like Turo. Turo just blew up. I don't know where the last couple of years. Turo's going public, by the way, in the stock market.
I just saw a nice ass Corvette walk right by me. I mean, I'm just like, wow, I want to rent one out.
The C8s.
The new ones, yeah, the ones that look like Batmobiles.
Yeah, Rob wants that car, by the way. Rob's on here.
That's dude, Rob, you don't want it. I'm gonna have one. Well, we'll just have matching. I don't even care. I want a black on black. My wife she loves white cars. Like she's like, my car has to be white with black wheels. I'm like, okay. And that's what I have right now for her. But I mean, yeah,
White on
Corvette,
black.
baby. Yeah, like white cars with black wheels. Like
Yep.
it's her whole thing. Now, you guys get your head out of the gutter, please. It's all gross.
What? White cars are better?
Swear.
I I'd go for like a blue or a red on the vet.
Blue.
Uh,
So I like only the red Ferrari is what I like. That is that a certain color?
red
Because
is
I call
like
it Ferrari.
the standard iconic for a Ferrari, right? Like red.
Yeah, but I like black too.
I hate black on any car for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, certainly out here where I live, because the sand just blasted, but whatever.
Unless it's like a matte black. Then that's different. The Fiesta is smaller. The Focus is the same market as the Golf. Isn't a Golf the Volkswagen though?
Yes, they are.
AMC's not doing anything.
All stocks are not doing anything today. It's gonna be a damn sideways day. Great day for everybody. This Mercedes doesn't know how to drive. I'm telling you, bro. In California, people don't. I know there's people out there who think they live in rough parts of town where people don't know how to drive. They really don't know how to drive. Like I know you said you have to be a defensive driver,
Oh
Ralph.
yeah.
No, no way. You got to be an offensive driver. Like you got to use your gas pedal more than your brake just to get away from these guys. That's just me. Like I mean, I've got Canadians around me. I got all these damn people who can't drive. And I'm just like, get the hell away. I get nervous. So I'm gonna go live today, but the rant videos won't go on until after I pick up the kids from school. So maybe till like 4.
Uh-huh.
Uh, but I always need time to prep my mind for those. So like the one I'm gonna do is about gorillas in the mist, right? And then his other newest tweet is
Mark Cuban.
fanboy Mark Cuban and Elon Musk.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 billionaires. Got it. You guys can know where I'm going there. This
I
dude.
can't wait for that one. So you're going live at 8?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna go live at 8, but then I mean, dude, oh man, I have a line I want to use right now because it just hit my head. Nah, I'll be quiet. Dude, I can't use them all, dude. Like, I
Uh-huh.
know you're like, go, go, go. No, no, no. I'm not that great. I'm not that talented to think of more than what I want to say.
Just
That
write
guy's
it
not
down.
ready.
Write it down.
So you're gonna talk about the AM Costco idea?
Yeah, your AMC Costco idea, it's about as clever as, I don't know. Like, if you really think about it, if we're going to start naming anything that starts with C and AMC is going to be partnered with them, I mean, you're going to have a long list of failed companies. Costco's a good thing to pair up with, I guess. I
How
mean,
about Caterpillar?
yeah, I thought about Caterpillar. It's good stock. Went up yesterday. I think it was up like $5 yesterday.
Aim Caterpillar. That's what we need to do.
Yeah,
Well,
you guys got me there. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, I own 100. I would sell all my shares. And I have more. I mean, I'm gonna have like 30 more in a week, something like that. It's gonna be great, guys. I laugh, dude. I laugh dude. Think about this: for 40 more years, We're gonna be looking at the stock market. We're just gonna be hanging on.
Right? That's what I think about. I'm like, why does it even matter right now, right? I'll be
There
here.
you
You know, as long as I'm alive, I'll be here. Like the market isn't
go.
going anywhere.
Yeah. Part of your 18 rules.
Right?
Whatever they were.
2023.
23.
Hey, you
Right there.
remember? You remember? Boker says I own a Caterpillar, the machine, not the stock.
Yeah, that's the whole point. So if he owns the machine, all the more reason for me to own the damn stock because it's not just him; it's more people than him.
How about Chipotle?
It,
We need to talk about that.
oh, AMC
CMG.
and Chipotle.
Oh no,
Yeah,
don't
put
start.
Chipotle inside.
AM
Yeah,
Chipotle?
yeah.
Oh man.
That's an amazing movie, Chipotle. Oh man, can you imagine eating Chipotle at the movie theaters? Just shitting in your seat. Just, I mean, God, you want to lick an AMC seat right now?
Who said that?
You, I think you said that.
I think I said I'd rather look an AMC seat than do something else.
Yeah, that's my whole point. You would rather lick. Yeah, go for it, bro.
Wait,
Hey, so this devious lick trend, right? That they banned off of TikTok. Do you know anything about this?
I don't go on TikTok. I don't have TikTok.
I know you don't have TikTok, but if you've never heard about this, this is the dumbest, funniest shit ever. Explain. So oh, and my son's getting out of the truck and he's just smiling at me because he already knows what I'm gonna say. Hey, get your backpack, bro. I didn't ask you to speak. Not allowed to speak. I'm on the mic. Hey, I'm a hardcore guy. Sorry. All right, so check this out. A devious lick is in the what can I put it? In the world out there, okay, a lick means a robbery and or a crime,
Oh, I know that.
essentially. Right? There you go. I know you do because you listen to all that pop smoke. So they're like, hey, devious lick, you need to post it on TikTok, your devious lick. So everyone out there is like posting things that they steal, that they damage, that they break. And the kids have taken off with this. And they're stealing soap dispensers, hand sanitizer stuff. They're breaking doors in the bathroom. They're destroying bathrooms and all the schools across the country. This is happening. And it's a massive problem. Like they lock the bathrooms. They don't let the kids go to the bathrooms anymore. They don't trust anybody, or they're monitoring the bathrooms. So the school across the street from my house. Listen, my house is 1 block from the airport and the high school.
Hmm.
Back there where I live. There's a thermal airport. There's a high school back there too. It's a school that my son does not go to. That's why I drive an hour because my son goes to the best high school out here. But this school is not the best. It's the worst. And they have a film on TikTok that has got went viral because in the announcement, somebody recorded what the announcements sound like at the school, and the principal comes on the radio, and she's like, "Okay, guys, this devious lick promotion that you guys are doing, this thing on TikTok, this trend, it needs to end here. It stops here. The faculty and me are sick of it. We have," he said, 8 doors broken and busted. We have 7 soap dispensers missing. We have 20 toilets. 20 toilets broken. There's no toilets at the school. It was crazy, dude. It's the funniest thing I ever seen. And it just happened to be the high school across the street from me. And it's going national. And this damn thing is ridiculous, though, when you really think about it. These kids need to get a hold of themselves. Damaging, I don't understand riots. I never have. I don't understand if you're upset with your social I don't know, your environment that you're in, society itself. Why destroy things? Oh, they have to do it out of frustration. That was the bullshit that I was seeing on MSNBC and CBC, whatever, and telling you why Antifa has to destroy things because of whatever reason and BLM. I
Hmm.
was like, this is crazy. I know you don't like to talk politics and stuff. I'm just saying in general, rioting, and you've been in riots, you've lived through riots. It is the worst thing ever because why are we destroying our own property? I don't understand this stuff. That's like me being upset that they're beating people elsewhere. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna beat the shit out of my kids to prove to you that this is what I'm mad at. I'm mad at you inflicting pain on people. So I mean, it's just stupid. It's the dumbest thing I ever seen. But these kids, devious licks, go look it up. You can't. I don't even think you can look it up anymore.
I
I
googled
think
it
they
right
banned
now.
it all and deleted it all from them. Yeah. Okay. What did it do? What did it say?
It said, let me pull it back because I closed it. It said how to talk to your kids about devious six or something like that. Like how to talk to your kids about the devious six schools TikTok. Devious six challenge on TikTok leads to criminal charges. The devious six TikTok trend is getting teens arrested. Blah blah blah.
These dudes are kicking in toilets, dude. What the hell? Where do I take a dump?
I remember they would turn off the lights on me when I would be at the restroom, like before soccer practice. These kids, I'm telling you, because there's always.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you, Ralph. I was a starting quarterback on my football team. Okay,
Uh
and when I was a freshman, we were undefeated. We were the number one team. All this crazy stuff, and everybody knew we were gonna be great. Like when we got older, and we ended up winning CIF 2 years in a row. All this crazy stuff, right? And so we knew we were gonna be good, but the seniors didn't like us because they they actually were winless. They were 0-10. So the freshmen, we'd walk over and we'd be like talking, we talking. I don't want to cuss, but we were talking crap.
huh.
So we just talking crap the whole time. Man, you guys suck. You guys don't win. No, why did anybody go see your games? We're champions. Wait till we get there. We're gonna be amazing. And this one big ass senior, and I'm right there. I'm taking a piss at the urinal. Big ass senior dude. I'll never forget. He went over to me as I'm taking a piss, and he started shaking me. I pissed everywhere, bro. I pissed all over myself. I pissed everywhere, and I was pissed. And yeah, pissed. I was pissed, whatever. And so I was like, this dude just shook the shit out of me. I was so mad. And my dad, because he's a football president of the Junior American football program, and he was like, what happened? I was like, man, this guy shook the shit out of me, pops, and I pissed everywhere. He's like, next time you turn around, you piss all over him. I was like, yeah, now I got to fight him with my thing out. It's gonna be like me and Review Dork throwing hands in the bathroom, bro. It's not gonna happen. But it was hilarious when I think about it. Now, a little hazing, a little thing. I don't agree with it like that. But me personally, that guy, I've seen him now as an adult, and I think he's divorced and he doesn't have a job, and I don't feel bad for him. I don't feel bad for him because it's dudes like that. I'll never forget that though. Yeah, who cares? I don't care. I'll tell you guys a story that embarrasses me. Nah, I don't mind. It is what it is. I didn't cry. Whatever. I didn't get robbed at gunpoint. I pissed on myself.
Speaking of you and Review Dork,
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
What went through your mind as soon as you saw that he followed you? That was the first thought that came to mind.
Oh, that another, just like anything else, just a stupid guy on the Twitter world followed me. I don't give this guy any credit. This guy has what, like 150,000 subscribers, whatever he has. He's nobody. All those guys who think their numbers are something, they're nobody. But I'll tell you what, I thought he was going to actually say something to me like, "Yo, man, that's not cool, bro," or something. I don't know. But fact is, I think him and Trey and the whole crew, okay, TMI, all those guys, I think they have a firm belief that they control the community of AMC, okay, because of all the backing they have. Like when people say, "Yo, Marantz, people are more invested in Trey than they are the damn stock AMC," and I'm like, yeah, they are. Absolutely, they'll protect them. Like, why does a grown man need protection? Like from other people? Like I would never want if somebody were to attack me on the Twitter world. I would never want I wouldn't be like, please protect me, guys. I need it because I'm not going to respond to him. But the way they do it is, if we respond to him, then we're going to give him attention, and then he's going to get clout. You think I'm doing it for attention? Maybe I'm just doing it to get the facts out, like the truth out. And that's all it is. So they see it as antics to try to get viewers. Like they'll even say that to you. Like they said it to me. They're like, yeah, this dude came in, infiltrated AMC chat rooms just to try to get a good viewership, and now he's bad mouthing us. And it's like, dude, I don't go in there to get AMC viewers. When have you ever looked at my content and it was AMC friendly? When?
Never.
Never. Exactly. Like I'm the last guy you want to be on. But you know what it is? If you get through the FUD, right? If you get through the bullshit that they're all saying, you can get through it all. And I don't even know why I use the word FUD. It's not even the correct word. But if you can get through the bullshit and you listen to what we actually talk about or what the channels are about, it's something that you can apply to all parts of life. That's the point. So whether I'm talking about stocks and being positive and diamond handing and how we're going to get there and what's going to happen, and just life in general, sales and raising your kids and doing everything the right way, and then you as a young man being a day trader, feeling the markets, getting to know them, watching the movements, and you have those so it relates to real life a lot. So I think that's what we do more so than what they do. And they're in there. Oh, don't talk about your personal life. No. And we're going to talk a whole day about options. Have you ever seen this, dude? It's crazy, man. I watched I was like, how the hell was this guy just live for 3 hours? And all the content was, well, yeah, well, it was the same thing he said yesterday. And I know I say the same thing all day, GameStop to the moon, whatever. But we literally have an ongoing saga every day. Even if we have to generate our own soap opera on our own, like as far as talking about the Fantastic Five over there and
Mhm.
their camel toes. I mean, it's just one of those things. But I'm ready.
And it's funny, it's enjoyable. Like, I understand you like just talking stocks 4 or 5 hours. It gets redundant, especially when the stocks aren't doing shit, just trading sideways, sour hour as you call it.
Oh, dude, it's
That,
gonna go up, down, or sideways.
yeah, it's like
You
I
guys
don't
are brilliant.
understand.
When I hear you and Rob say that, well, I think the stock's gonna go up or down or sideways. I think it's gonna do one of the things. I literally bust out laughing. I'm like, because if people are listening and they're like listening for the first time, they're because this is how dumb people are sometimes. They'll be like, "Oh, I think you know what? I think he might be right." What? Really? Because they're looking for answers. Like, there's people out there that have been watching these other guys, and they walk into your room, and then they're like, "Yeah, so what do you think's gonna happen with this today?" And you're like, "What? Yeah, it's gonna go up, down. It might go up. It might go down. Or you know what? It might just go sideways." And they'll literally be like, "Oh, okay, all right. Thanks for the feedback, bro. Thanks for responding to my chat." Because they're so used to people not responding to their chat, or they're so used to having to pay to talk to these guys.
Hmm.
It's ridiculous. And that's just, I mean, dude, I've seen these guys skip over super chats every damn day. It's wild, dude. It's absolutely wild. And some other people are getting worse. So I'll just keep doing what I do.
Yeah, it's like I
What?
feel like we're secluded at points. Like we're our own community. Like we don't share like the same viewership, if that makes any sense. Like
Absolutely,
against these guys.
absolutely.
Sounds like
And
the
they all share the
weatherman.
same 300,000. What happened now?
Oh, just reading the chat. It sounds like a weatherman. It might rain today or it might not. Uh,
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. You might lose me a little bit right here, Ralph, because I'm
yeah.
driving. But hey, can you give me an update on everything?
What about what? Oh, GameStop 188 is down 1.5%. AMC is actually green, $40.08. No, Rob's still
Yeah.
here.
What about crypto?
Let's call Bitcoin. They're asking if Rob's still here. He's
Rob's here.
Yeah, I'm still here.
42.5. Bitcoin 42.5.
Rob's sitting back. He's like, "Yeah, this is where I get to use my fingers." Rance is talking again. Ugh.
I
Can you
don't know.
imagine what Rob says about me when I'm not on the stream?
Hmm?
Do what?
I said, can you imagine what Robert Brown says about me when I'm not on the stream?
Oh,
He's like,
I don't have a problem saying it to you or typing it to you.
there you go.
I think I proved that this morning. I'm trying to wind you
This
up.
guy's this guy's typing. Can I tell you guys? I want to break some people's necks sometimes. Almo, my boy, Almo's out here. God, bros, the street I just drove down. All right, we need to go running down this street. All right, never mind, dude. This is crazy. I'm in the country club crowd. There's got to be at least 100 country clubs around. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I think that was Kendall Jenner running. That's the way that girl looked. What the hell was that?
I thought they lived out
By
here.
the way, oh dude, I know. Trust me. And God, we go out there. Wow. But anyway, back to it. 4 o'clock in the morning, bro. Let me tell you about my story. My boy Binks. My boy Binks is in his bed. Now I have a big couch in my master bedroom, like on the side where you can lay down and you can still watch TV, everything. My master bedroom is like a one-bedroom apartment. The thing is massive. And I'm stretched out. I'm on my bed. I'm chilling. This dude came off the couch over there where I have him sleeping, crawled down this staircase. My wife brought one of those staircases for the animals, like has like carpet on it or whatever. It's like you put it next to a bed or a couch, and they can like walk down the stairs. This damn cat's being treated better than me. I promise you. And so Binks comes down. He walks over to my bed. He jumps up on my bed or he climbs up my bed, whatever. Walks onto my stomach, bro. This is 4 o'clock in the morning, and just starts peeing on me. And I'm like, "Are you joking?" in the middle of the night. I thought I was peeing myself in my dream or something. I woke up. He's peeing on me. Like, this is garbage. So I pick him up. I had a blanket on me, so I went ahead and I picked up the whole blanket. And now I'm doing laundry at 4 in the morning. I just went to bed because I played Diablo all night. That game's taking over. But Almo Nestor and Robert Brown and Kyoto are in Discord texting. My phone's going off.
4 in the
And I'm
morning.
like, God, 4 in the morning. I'm like, God, these guys, man, I love them. I love all these guys. and Almo goes, yeah, bro, I'm at work. I'm bored. I got nothing to do. It's like, thanks, bro. And they're talking. Hey, these guys are having real conversations about stocks at 4 in the morning. I know it's not 4 in the morning to them, but it is 4 in the morning to me. And I'm
Yeah.
just like, no. So Rob comes up with his whole facade as far as AMC and Costco and paragraphs, bro. And I don't reply back. I ignore it completely. And then he wants to post it in another Discord just so I make sure I read it. Like, he's making sure I read this crappy ass assessment of a company. And you know what, dudes? I love you guys, man. I do. I tell you what, when I don't reply, it's because I'm just looking at you guys like, what the hell, bro? It's 5 in the morning. By this time, after I had to take a shower, do the laundry of my blanket, and then I was up and I was like, oh, let me go play some Diablo. Of course, I went back to Diablo. That's what I knew was a problem for me, dude. The minute I went back to it this morning, I said, this crap, man. I got to get out of here. So I'm not gonna play it today, or I am, but not till later. After I make the Adam Aaron video, because if I don't, then I won't focus. Like, I know what I want to say in my head, and I almost forgot one of the lines right now. I have a line right now in my head that I want to use, so I do got to write that stuff down, but I don't know how that works. I'm not a joke teller, like I'm not a comedian, so I don't know how comedians write jokes or anything. But I might just need to start writing stuff down because I forget stuff, and then it's I got to go back. I don't know. Who cares about me? Let's talk about the stocks. How's Sava
Tesla
looking?
is ripping.
Tesla?
Yes.
Oh,
Damn.
I missed it.
762. Look at this.
Holy hell.
Yeah. It opened at 740 something.
That's a good little run.
And it's still
Hey,
rallying. Look at this. Holy shit.
how's this stock doing? Can you give me a good breakdown on AEI?
Oh, that one hit a new high earlier. Oh,
No way.
no. I'm talking about CEI.
You're
I'm
talking about
sorry.
CEI.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm what?
220.
AEI.
AEI. Getting them
Yeah.
confused.
Eric
218.
told me the volume left.
It's gone. It looks dead. 218 down 9, almost 9%. Look at this.
Times in sales,
Volumes
the
is
times in
done.
sales is just barely moving.
Yep. They closed that gap
Well,
and they said goodbye.
I'm gonna hang on to it and see if volume can come back to it. This is one I'm gonna hang on to. I didn't with CVRS. I literally was like, I'm good. I got some gains. I'm out.
Mm-hmm.
This one I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna see what it does. I bought 26 shares, not a lot, but I just want to see what it does.
AEI, rest in peace, Eric Bag Holders. Really? I thought
Yeah,
Eric
I
had
mean,
bought CEI.
no. He bought AEI. I think it was Phoenix with CEI, if I'm not mistaken. Remember, those two guys right there are wild, man. Phoenix and Eric are wild. Here, you're gonna lose me right here. There's no cell tower, dude. I know where they're all at. These cell towers. I said I didn't know. I know where they all are.
Tesla's about to hit a new high. Oh man, look at this. Good rally, guys. Rover's this play. Range Rover. It's not what you say, but how you say it. That's right. I think Tesla's gonna make a good day trade later on when it pulls back midday. Look at this rally. The strength is here today. New high, 763. Breaking out of that outer band here. Damn. The upper band is ripping. It's a dog walking company. Really? Let's see.
What, Rover?
Yeah.
Red Rover. Saying Ralph right over. You never played that game, huh, Ralph?
Absolutely. And I don't play video games. Unless it's
No,
FIFA.
it's not a video game, bro.
What is it then?
It's a game for when you're. Oh my God, my wife is barely leaving right now. That means my son's gonna be late to school. Oh no. Nah, she drives fast. All right, so check this out. Red Rover. send whoever right over. So here's what happens. When we were little kids, you line up chained, hand by hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're holding hands. Just imagine people holding hands, okay?
Right.
You weren't allowed to hold forearms, and you weren't allowed to interlock your elbows. Like if you were gonna like hold your arms that way, you had to hold hands. I think that was the rule. I'm trying to remember, dude. It's only been like 35 years since I played. But so you would be in a line with like 8 people, 10 people, 12 people holding hands. The other line would have like 8 or 12 people, like whatever. We're all looking at each other holding hands. Now, your line used to look down and we would pick one person from the other side. So let's just say it was you. We'd be like, Red Rover, send Ralph right over. You would be in the other line. You would have to try to run through us, one of the links in the chain. So one of the group
Oh.
holding hands. Hey,
Yeah.
bro, we used to
I remember
clothesline
this.
people.
Yeah, I remember
We used to
this.
clothesline people. They knock you out. You're not gonna try to run through us.
Yeah.
Me and my boys be like, oh yeah, and we'd ask for the smallest person to come through. But dude, this is like an elementary school. And when I went to school, like Robert Brown, dude, there was still a paddle at the school, man. That's crazy. Okay, where's my? Okay, you know what, Ralph? I'm doing you a favor, bro. I'm gonna let you off the hook. I'm gonna get out the chat because I know I'm taking over,
No, I'm
and
waiting
I
for
don't.
AMC's ripping too. GameStop 188s. These stocks are coming back.
My damn kids.
Oh man,
Okay.
man. Tesla really just slipped through me like that this morning. That's
All
right,
right.
Saxla. Could you imagine if you were a swing holding Tesla from 590? I bought a 560, not even 590.
Wow. That's not that bad, bro. You're not missing out on much.
They'll come back down, I know for sure. Back when they took notes on stone stone tablets.
Oh, Boker, stop it. Hey, how old is
Guarding them.
Boker?
I don't
How old is
know.
Boker? Come on, well, Rob does. Rob be like,
No,
yeah.
I don't. And that wasn't Boker anyway. That was
Guarding them.
Angry Garden.
Is
He's
No.
Garden number?
37.
Oh, Boker's my guy then. All right, that's good. I like that. Hey, so I was watching Forrest Gump last night. What a damn good movie.
It's a good movie, yeah.
Oh my God, you guys have no idea. I love the part where when I watched it all the way up to the part where he's running and he's running on empty and he's running blind. You don't know, Ralph.
My favorite
Got
my
some.
favorite scene is the Watergate. I think that was a
Oh,
clever.
there's some lights on over here.
Huh?
Oh, there's some lights on.
Oh yeah. He's the one that
Never
actually
mind.
is reporting it. AMC to 44
Oh,
today?
Gatsby. I'm gonna say no.
I don't know. That's a hard one.
I'm just gonna tell you no. Is that fair? The reason I'm gonna say no is hey right now. One, Adam Aaron's Pipe Dreams. Max Payne's at 41 on AMC. I expect it to be somewhere around there. Am I ready? Am I
Yeah.
ready? All right, bro. Check it out, Ralph.
Hmm.
I'm gonna watch your channel until you don't want me to watch it anymore, and then I'm gonna end up going live whenever you're ready.
Oh, you're going live?
But whenever you're ready, though. Like I want to watch you for a little bit more. Keep doing what you're doing.
I don't think Tesla's gonna come down for me. I think it just keeps on going up and up and up and up, and AMC's not coming down either. Firm, what it's like whatever's. I think Moderna's still falling. No, triple fours on Moderna. Airbnb, 175. Twitter, 66.69. AMC and Tesla are the only ones that are on my list right now for a pull for a trigger. Facebook, I don't think so. Facebook's already having its move. Maybe Facebook might be a good swing play. We'll see. Nasdaq, because Tesla and Facebook are definitely not following Nasdaq compared to Apple. Look at this. Apple's just sideways. GameStop 189. Does that mean AMC's pushing? No, not necessarily. Look at this new high on Tesla at 764. I'm telling you, it's gonna pull back obviously, but I don't think right now is the time it'll pull back. Look at this 5 minute. Insane. Shh. Tesla's hunting 775. It's going for 800. Tesla to 1,000 by the end of the year. I'm watching Seed, a Chinese stock. I know Moran loves those. The Chinese stocks.
I just
not moving.
banned somebody that came in and dropped a penny stock. I guess I get to ban somebody else.
Who? Oh, Gardenum. CEI and .S. Is .S still moving? No.
Bro,
So
I
that's
love penny stocks. You know, AMC is the best penny stock out there. So
No. I'm talking penny stock. Some dude was in here dropping a stock for 0.045 and it was up from 0.041 on, it was like 98 million shares. Kiss my ass. Don't ever come in here again.
let's go.
my ass is inviting, bro. Rough. Tesla to 1,000. That's never gonna happen. Not this year.
So it is gonna happen, but not this year.
Yeah, I just compared Costco and AMC. They're running side by side.
I'm done talking to this guy. Who the hell is this guy? Hey, shit for brains over here. Can't take this. God, you hang out with this guy? That's your man's right there.
Absolutely.
That's your man? Look at that.
I'm gonna make a video on
You and
Costco
him
and
can
AMC
both
partner.
get clapped up. Y'all shop at the same smart tech?
We shop at Walmart. What do you
Hey,
mean?
Yeah,
See, you guys
Walmart.
don't even know what the hell I'm talking about right now,
Walmart and
dude.
Sam's.
You guys are weak. Never mind. Somebody help him. Somebody help him out when I say you guys. Oh, y'all rep the same smart tech. There you go. Somebody help him, bro.
Here we go. It's pulling back, baby. Should we end the
While
stream
all
or should we
three are
continue?
together, what do y'all think about the RRP shilling increase?
I'm telling you, 2 months ago I said the reverse repo was gonna be at 2 trillion by December 31st.
And now you know why I sit there. Now you know why I sit there and say, "Let me know when it gets to 10 trillion."
Yeah,
I don't know.
I was
5
pissed.
years.
I was pissed when they doubled it. When they doubled it last night, I was like, "Yeah, they're just drawing it out now." They gave everybody a extra rope to hang on to.
49.
yeah, get a little longer. Yeah, that's the movie I'm talking
I don't
about.
know
That's the
that
movie I was
fucking
doing.
movie. Let's see, 49.
Oh, Ralph, you need to watch it, bro. What are you doing? Stop what you're doing right now and go watch it. That's the best movie ever.
The 40, not 40. You're 49.
No, he meant to say 40.
Oh,
But the 40 version is the best. I'm telling you. With Steve Carell.
wait. 2005. Alrighty. Let's see the reviews. This movie's one of them favorite comedy movies.
Yeah,
it's a
it's the best
vulgar.
movie.
It's a vulgar comedy.
Oh, it ain't vulgar, bro. It's great. It's great. Bro, everybody knows.
Phoenix is right. Phoenix is right. AMC will be 2 trillion by December 31st.
I said
I reckon
that.
AMC.
Oh,
No, he said AMC, not
never mind.
RMC.
I thought you said the reverse
Yeah.
repo.
Yeah. Oh, you said that? Yeah.
I've been saying
Bro,
that for like
Steve
2
Carell
months.
kills Will Ferrell. Will Ferrell has no talent.
I
Are we
like Will
joking right
Ferrell.
now?
Will Ferrell's hilarious.
Oh, man, you would. Dude, like you would. I'm down. More cowbell. Get the hell out. I'm not hanging up. I need to hang up. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go live. But I'm gonna still listen to you while you talk while I'm live. I don't even care.
No, I'm
I'll
gonna end
stream
it. I'm
you.
gonna end the stream.
Don't end it. Don't end it. Keep it going. I want to hear you for a little bit until I like post all my stuff on like Facebook and whatever. Because I always do that.
I want to see you. I want to see the rant today.
Oh, bro, this fucking guy. Excuse my language.
I need
I'm just
the Mark Cuban.
oh,
Oh, baby, let's go. Let's get it.
Oh my God! You know I'm gonna start it. Oh man, you just got me mad, bro. You got me.
It's
Because
like
what I'm gonna do is
I
I'm
could
gonna go
repeat.
live.
I could like repeat the like your videos like word for word at sometimes.
No,
Alright,
bro,
say it.
it's
I'm
dumb.
going for it. I'm taking my gloves off or something like that.
No,
How
I'm
you
gonna take my
started.
gloves.
He's like, you need a size 20 clown. The last thing you need is a size 20 clown or a size 20 shoe for the clown you are, or something like that. That was hilarious. Oh my gosh. I don't know how you come up with these ideas, like these sayings. Like they flow, bro.
In my mind,
I'm telling you, I'm there eating my
again.
Chipotle. I'm there eating my Chipotle, and I'm just cracking up. Like I'm just like, this is such a good video. And I'm like, it's 11 minutes. Why can't it be like 30 minutes? Like I'll watch every minute of it. I'm telling you.
There's no way, dude. Because if I make a 30-minute video, I think people click off like 2 minutes in. I don't even think people watch the 10-minute videos. I'm like, dude, these guys don't watch.
I'm telling you,
I think they do.
At the peak of, you know how you can see that analytics. Like the watch time and the
Yeah,
percent.
yeah, no, I can. You're right. I know what to do. Hey, can I tell you guys something? I'm lesson learned, right? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Marin,
Oh, it tanked.
go look at Marin right now.
No, it's recovered. It's almost back
Oh
to his
my
buy point.
gosh, 25%. What
You see?
is going on?
You see? This is why I invest the way I do. Oh man, dude, I'm telling you, Ralph. I don't want to say like I'm a guru or I'm this or I know the stock market or anything. It's the way you feel about a stock
Mm-hmm.
and the way it moves,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like you do at Tesla, and people do at AMC, the swing traders that are swinging it. I literally know what the hell I'm looking at. It's crazy, bro. This is life I'm living. And and like, yeah, I'm not in it, 4 shares, whatever. But the thing is, when you look at it, you say, I'm just gonna taste, put the pinky in. Oh man, oh
It's
man,
the gut. It's
dude.
your gut telling you like this is the play, you know?
Now you know why I'm in GameStop.
Mm-hmm.
It's the play, Mister. I'm not in it. It's all right. I don't want you to have that pressure of waking up every day looking at GameStop, talking about trading it, talking about
You
swinging it.
can't trade it. You
Um,
can't trade GameStop daily, like day
like it,
trade. Like it's just
oh no, you.
unless you're holding, but if you're trying to like buy the dips and sell, it's hard. You'll get stuck. Ralph just bought some Tesla. Not yet. I was like, I was itching. I would have been green, but no, man. I'll wait for the dip. It's coming. The dip's gonna come. I'll just wait because it's gonna still have legs on Monday. Did anybody tell Moran he's the young Brady?
I don't know who Young Brady. Oh, I'm a champion. I'm one of the greatest. Hey,
Oh,
so you
Bundy.
asked
Bundy.
me,
I'm sorry. I'm seeing
well, Al
stuff.
Bundy. Yeah, whatever, bro.
I'm seeing
Not
stuff.
Brady. Huh? Oh shit, we didn't. That's a big drop off. Assholes. Hey, you know what's crazy? Yeah, oh baby. Oh, look at this.
What?
No, I'm looking at stocks. I'm looking at
Oh,
mine right now. Almost at $11.
so do you really
Um,
mow when you eat?
oh yeah. Oh, bro.
That's what I needed to
Bro.
ask you today.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? I'm gonna tell you, man, you guys want to take all my content. This is crazy. Um, I swear to God, you have no idea. I have a trigger word today, Ralph.
What's the
A
word?
trigger word.
Let me know the word, and I'll
Watch.
have a watch. Oh, they stole my watch. That's
Watch.
what you. That's the trigger word.
Nope. That's not what I'm gonna talk about. But
Um.
man, see, I write down words, man, but I have no content because I was playing Diablo all night. Oh, I owe my viewers so much because these guys are great. But
Uh-huh.
you asked me something right now. You said, "Hey, Marantz, like, how do you come up with this when you're talking? It just flows or whatever, you know?"
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something that you don't know yet because you're so young. You're 23, right? And there's always your age is just a number. It's not that. There's enough stuff that you've done in your life that you can pull from,
Mhm.
right? So like when I have an actual conversation with anyone in the world, I can draw from something that I've experienced,
Mhm.
and that helps me. That's how sales works. That's how all that works, right? Like Robert Brown can have these conversations with people because he's had the military front, he's had the truck driving front, he's had the well-rounded growing up in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, all that stuff. It's just that way. It's a feel of it, right?
Mhm.
So, like Robert and I were having a conversation. When was this, Rob? Maybe like a month ago, and we were on the phone, and he was like, "Oh yeah, hey, over there in thermal, out there by the windmills, by the Salton Sea, blah blah." Like he knows because he's actually driven through the area. He's done things like that.
Mhm.
There's things in this world where you've experienced things. So when I'm talking and I'm shooting out that shit, like I'm rapid fire. That's why I named my channel Marantz Rants. Like before I ever got on YouTube, like I'm always ranting about something, like even in real life. Like my buddies, like with my friends at like work and stuff. And I'll just be out there like, can you believe this shit? And they're like, what's going on? I was like, this individual wants to take a day off after they called out. They want to do this, and I just go off. I mean, can you imagine? I took 3 days off in a row. Not only that, the types of weekends I'd be having, you're going to take 3 days off in a row. At least have a goddamn party. Go to Vegas, do something, smoke some weed, do some drugs, pop some E. I don't know what you're doing with your life. This dude took 3 days off to do what exactly? Sit on the couch, look at some cartoons? I don't know what the hell he's doing. He's that type of guy, though. Any dude that walks in here and his day off after he already called out saying he's too sick to work, but yet he came in here for what? Oh, I'm going to buy some Gatorade because I'm a little dehydrated. No, this dude's walking around with a Bart Simpson t-shirt. What kind of grown-ass man wears cartoon t-shirts? Oh, wait, here I am with a Harry Potter shirt. Like, it doesn't, like, I used to do shit like this. I would just rant, like just rattle off stuff in the top of my head. And that's when my buddies were like, dude, you got to do that on YouTube.
As I'm telling you, bro, as soon as I watched you, I immediately knew, like, you could blow up on YouTube, you know? That you could do it.
Nah, but they won't let me.
Bro,
Let me.
that's what I thought, bro. I did YouTube for a whole year. Nothing happened. The whole AMC shit happened. And look at, I had it going.
Yeah.
Like, I'm telling you, you
Yeah,
think
you're right.
you never can until it happens. Until you're like, wow, it's happening.
And you know
right?
what's
Yeah.
ironic?
That's the crazy part.
Yes, sir.
You know what's ironic? The fact,
Go ahead.
you know, the people on both channels and in both Discords called me the grumpy old man when you are the epitome of it.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
you know, me, I'm nice and calm and tame. Jesus.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you didn't hear yourself the other morning, wrinkly man. Don't text me. Don't talk to me. Don't poke fun at me. I was like, oh, okay. Rob's not having it this morning. All right. All right, guys.
that was
Next
good.
up,
That was good. I had a good laugh on that one.
Ralph literally went like this. He goes, "All right, guys. So let's not mess with Rob today." It was like it's just one of those things. It's all good. I love you, man. You're good. Look at this guy drawing trend lines right. This guy's actually drawing TNA lines right now on MSNBC and CNBC, whatever channel I'm on. He was showing you iShares S&P 500 value and how it's bouncing. These things run together. This is crazy. Everything runs together, right?
1142 new high. Oh my gosh.
Mm.
Oh.
Trying to tell you, bro.
Morantz is the get off my lawn guy.
Get off my lawn. That's such a good movie, dude. Monster House? God. Oh, man, I'm going to go live. I have so much to talk about. All right. Going live.
Moran sits on his couch moaning, eating a sandwich with 4 fingertips slightly tucked under his waistband.
Hey, bros, I'm gonna go live, and I'm just gonna tell these punks, then get at me. Start streaming. Is that what it said? There we go.
Oh man.
Yeah. So I'm watching.
So you're gonna go score 4 touchdowns, Morantz?
I think he just left. All right, guys. He should be going live any minute. Oh, what a good stream. What a good Friday. Tesla is still hanging around 760s. I don't know. It's not getting dipping. But this is the one I have my eyes on. Let's see what AMC's at. Boring. Still at 40. All right, guys.
So how's Boeing doing?
Let me see if I could. Oh, please don't tell me it's above 220. Dun 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 dun. 221. Not bad. Not bad for now. A firm coming down 127. He's live. Let me link his stream. Oh, man, I love this. Alright, guys, I'm gonna link his stream. I'm gonna be on there. Thank you guys for hopping on. Rob Rance, thank you guys for hopping on. We're gonna be back Monday. Monday.
No crypto stream this weekend?
Absolutely not. Bitcoin sucks.
Okay.
Thank you, Volker. No problem. We can't pump crypto right now.
Why not?
We'll pump crypto until or after AMC accepts Dogecoin. Then maybe we'll start talking. But
okay,
there we go. He's live.
So you'll be spending your Dogecoin at AMC then, huh?
I don't even have any Dogecoin, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much the stream. Have
a good weekend, everybody.
Weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Oh my God, Tesla keeps on moving. Peace out, everybody.